What's going on YouTube, and thanks for coming back for another video. And today I'm going to be showing you how to sharpen up your blades on your lawnmower. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and show you a quick update in the front yard, because if you remember from last week's video, I wasn't able to complete the whole area, but I went ahead and finished up throughout the week. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that real quick before we get started on the video. Alright guys, so here's the front. I completed everything already. And I think in the future I'm going to be planting some plants right here, and so I'm going to go ahead and film that for you guys too, so stay tuned for that. Alright, let's get back to the video. Alright guys, before I show you how I sharpen the blades, I'm going to talk to you real quick why it's important to sharpen the blade. It's going to be important for your grass, that's in order for it to keep it healthy. If you don't have a sharp blade, your grass, once you cut it, I don't know if you can tell those clippings, see that edge right there? See that slight like browning? Once you cut your yard and all the clippings look like this, what ends up happening is your lawn starts to have like this brown cast look to it, so it doesn't look as green. So you want to make sure that your blade's always sharp so that it has a cleaner, crisper look, something like this, more like this. See that? See how it doesn't have that brown dead stuff on the top? It's a little bit more clean and crisp. So normally you want to sharpen your blades, I would say about once or twice a year, you know, depending on you. Some people sharpen it once a week. You could do that too if you like. I normally sharpen it about springtime and around fall time. All right, so let's get into sharpening your blades now. Alright guys, so in order to sharpen up the blade, we're going to have to first remove it from the mower itself. And to do that, it's just removing this bolt right here. And you can just use a regular socket or whatever you like. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that right now. One thing that might come in handy is if you have something to put right here from the blade to stop from spinning. So if you try to loosen it without nothing, it's just going to keep on spinning. So I'll use this 2x4. You can put whatever you like, but 2x4 is what I have right now, so that way it's easier to come off. Set to the side. Alright, so let's take this to the table and we'll sharpen it up. Alright guys, so let me show you my setup real quick. As you can see, it's not like I have an actual proper workbench or anything like that, like the ones that have the vice grips and on the table. I'm just going to use just a regular C-clamp. I'm going to clamp down the lawnmower blade right here. And what I'm going to be using is this little kit right here. I think it's called Arnold, and they sell it at Home Depot or Lowe's or like any store like that. And it just attaches to your drill, and then you just go ahead and sharpen up your blade. I'm going to show you real quick how you do that, okay? Alright guys, so what I went ahead and did, I just flipped this table down real quick because it's actually easier to sharpen the blade this way. As you can see, the blade has a slight bezel right on top of here. So what you want to do is you're going to put the stone on this side, and the little plastic guard is going to be on the back. It's like a guide pretty much. And then you just go ahead and turn on your drill and just go back a few inches, back and forth until you feel that it's sharp enough. And then you do the same thing on the other side. And once we're done, there's like a little balancing kit as well that we're going to put it on to ensure that the blade is nice and balanced. Alright, so let's get to it. as you can see, it sharpened it up pretty good. But from looking at the blade, I do have some little nicks right here and there. So I don't know, I might eventually just end up replacing the blade itself. But I don't know, I'm gonna go see how it looks after I'm done on both sides, and then once I cut the grass, see how it looks and all that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other side real quick. Alright guys, so here's a little balancing kit. So once you're done sharpening, you just go ahead and put it in here and then make sure that the blade is balanced. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in there right now. Okay. So it looks like I gotta take out a little bit more on this side. Oh, actually, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just sharpen this up a little more so it can be nice and even, and then that should be good to go. Alright guys, so I went ahead and finished this other side, just sharpen it up a little bit more, and it looks pretty balanced now. So I'm going to go ahead and attach this back to the lawnmower, and it's going to be ready to go. Alright guys, so I have it all set up and done, but one thing I forgot to mention actually, before you do this, you actually want to ensure that the spark plug is unplugged, you know, for safety reasons, because there could be a chance where you're tightening this or anything, you know, it might actually start on you. So you want to just make sure to unplug it, or if you like, you could just take the whole spark plug out if you want to do that also. But yeah, you want to make sure you do that before you start removing this blade. All right guys, so that was the process on how to sharpen up your blades. At least that's the way I do it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. And before I go real quick, I just want to say happy birthday to my sister-in-law. Hopefully she watches these videos. She says she does, but I'm not too sure. But yeah guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.